Hello guys, so what happened on August 18th in history, we'll see. So before that, try to find out what is this map, what are the locations being shown here. Jammu is there, Ropar, Delhi, Jodhpur, Gandhinagar, Indore, Bhilai. So most of you on first glance itself you will understand what it is. These are the locations of the IIT campuses in India. Okay, so it has its significance today, August 18th, because the first IIT in this, if you know which one is the first one, the first IIT was set up on August 18, 1951. Okay, so that is why today's day has a significance. So 23 IITs are there now. I think 7 or 8 are built after this new government has come, and many more are in pipeline. So that timeline wise in Wikipedia they have given a proper list. If you see IIT Kharagpur 1951 in West Bengal, and after that IIT Bombay, Madras, Kanpur, and even if you see the 16th row, IIT Varanasi is nothing but the BHU Banaras Hindu University, which was there since 1919. That was made an IIT. So 2012 that became an IIT. Then after that you can see all the new ones which are there in 2015-16 range. Okay. IIT Dhanbad is also like that. An old campus was converted to an IIT. So like this is a list of things, extra GK fact I wanted to tell you, and taking it year by year or day by day. August 18th internationally, since 2021, it is World Breast Cancer Research Day. Okay, so that is one importance of this particular day since 2021. Another important thing in Indian context is Subhash Chandra Bose went missing after a plane crash in Taiwan. Okay, so you know that whether he died or whether anything is like controversy, that is still, you know, it is debatable, and many movies have come, documentaries have come, many commissions have been set up by the government, and it's still going on. Nobody knows whether Subhash Chandra Bose actually died that day, so we cannot tell it as a death anniversary. Okay, even though officially someplace it will be written August 18, 1945 as his death anniversary, but we don't know confirmed. Okay, so it's the day when he went missing after the plane crash in Taiwan. Okay, August 18, 1951, I told you the first ever IIT was inaugurated, and then August 18, 1914, during the World War time, USA's President Woodrow Wilson signed something called, or announced something called, Proclamation of Neutrality. So in case anywhere you hear like Proclamation of Neutrality in 1914 means what? It is USA's president telling we are not part of the war. It is Europe versus meaning within Europe they are fighting. Okay, we are not involved in this thing. That was the stand of USA in the First World War. Okay. Second World War also they were kind of staying outside only because they were attacked. Their Pearl Harbor was attacked by Japan. They had to put back the atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, then August 18, 1700 is Balaji Rao's birthday. Okay, he was a Peshwa of the Maratha Empire. I think the seventh Peshwa of the Maratha Empire. He was also known as Baji Rao Ballal, and he died in 1740, and it's told that in his military career span of 20 years he was not defeated in any of the war. Okay, he didn't lose a battle. So these are the important things which happened on August 18th as per history. Okay, now like this, any kind of fact which is needed for your UPSC or SSC or anything, we have current affair packs. Okay, like everyone has this monthly concept of giving you PDFs. We also have that, but ours will be organized in the form of questions and answers. The prelims question, option, answer, and then explanation. Then after the 100 questions, again hundreds of pages of notes are there. So each month you will get like gold content kind of data which can be useful, and it will be like lifetime validity. It's a soft copy thing. You will get it in your inbox. You can read it whenever you want. Okay, like that. Not just last 12 months, upcoming 12 months, the last 24 months, last 36 months, up to last 5 years, we are offering it in different packages. Okay, so individual packages you can see on screen now. These are all individual packs where 12 months of coverage is there. Okay, it's set in June to May cycle because the UPSC cycle is like that. So June to May, like that, year on year backwards. You can get anyone. Now if you need a combination of this, which most people will want it, especially the upcoming 12 months and the previous 12 months, there is a combo pack also. If you see here, combo 1 and 2 and 3, in which the combo 3 is the one which is the best seller also, 3 and 2, because that includes last 2 years, meaning the upcoming year, last year, and the year before that. So that is the 3 years. So that 3 years is combo 2. This is one of the best sellers, and if you want it, you can WhatsApp me into this number, and this offers, whichever you see, that price is ending this month only. Okay, so after that we'll have to you will have to charge the higher one. That is why we are insisting this in every single video. Okay, and the test series also batch 2 will be ending this month, because August 21 the timetable starts, and these goodies and all we will announce on October 2nd 2023, because many students asked for our hoodies and notebooks and bags and all. These are all we will be telling you you how we are going to provide you. Okay, so test series, again WhatsApp me, because it will end. Then after that, don't regret. Okay, because this is a complete prelims plus mains integrated self-study timetable. Most of you want to do self-study. Test will be given every week, and every like frequency will be there. The timetable full I have explained in a video. You can come and WhatsApp me for the details. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.